Hello everyone, my name is Pallab. First of all, I would like to thank Take and Target for this amazing initiative, which is really helping students to gather more and more interview experiences. I am from CSE background, so TCS sent me congratulation mail on 12 November for selecting for the interview, and they scheduled my interview on November 21 at 10 a.m. Before one day of my interview, they sent me the Microsoft Team link for joining the interview. On 21st November, I am waiting for their call. Although my meeting scheduled at 10 a.m., but they call me around 11:45 and they tell me to join. Then I join and the interviewer join at 12 p.m. When I join, there are four panelists. And then they ask me to show my government ID proof and they ask me to hold it in front of camera along with my face. After that, they all on their video and take a screenshot with me, and after that they all turn off their video. One of them asked me to introduce myself. Then I introduced myself. After my introduction, they asked me to rate myself in C, Java and Python in a range of 0 to 10. Then I rated myself accordingly. My stronger point is in Python, although they asked me many questions related to Java, and they mainly focus on Java. Two technical persons are there for asking the technical questions. First, one of them asked one question related to run a Java program in Python, something like that. So I said no, I didn't know about that. Then he asked me question from OOPS. He asked about the inheritance and he gave two examples of class name and he asked me to tell the command to inherit them with spelling. Then he asked me about static keywords and final keyword. I answered this very well. Then he asked me about my project. As I am not started yet my final year project, I tell them, and then he asked me about my mini project if I have done anything. Then I tell them about my mini project. One is speech recognition project using Python and another is banking management system using OOPS concept in Python. Then he asked me to elaborate the banking management project. I explained. Then he asked me what is encapsulation and how I implemented it in my project. Then I explain encapsulation and I tell them, but I didn't use encapsulation in my project, I use inheritance. Then he asked me which class I inherit and what are the functions present in that class. Then I explain them. Then the second person asked me, how are you, Pallab? And I said, and I also asked him. Person asked me why I learned Python. I give some reason. Then he asked me whether I have any certificate in Python or not. I said yes, I have done one hands-on training on Python and data structure. Then he asked me from where. I said from IIT Kharagpur. Then he also asked me to explain the banking management project again, and he asked what database I use in my project. So I tell them, and I also tell them that I didn't and do the database part. Database part is managed by one of my friend. So he tell me that you should also know the concept of the backend whenever you working on the front end, because at a real world project it make many problem. So I agree with them. Then he asked me one SQL command and to create a table. Then I tell them. Again he started asking question related Java, like use of JRE, JDK, etc. Then he asked me how good I am in OOPS concept. I said quite good, sir. Then he asked me what is abstraction and tell me the real world example of abstraction. Then I explain it and give the real world example with the help of ATM machine. And then he said perfect, and then he said HR, and that he is done, and he hand over it to HR. After hi hello with HR asked me how I perform in this interview. Then I said I tried my best. Then he asked me about my family, and I briefly introduced my family. Then he asked me, he said he don't think that I have any problem with relocation, and I said no sir, I don't have any problem. Then he asked me whether I have any question or not. Then I asked one question, and how the thing is going on in this pandemic situation, and how the training period will happen for the freshers. Then he explained deeply about the training period, and he told me everything will happen from the work from home. Whether I am satisfied with his answer or not, I said yes sir. And then he tell me that thanks Pallav, and he tell me that your interview is now over, you can leave by clicking the red button on the right up side. And I also say thank all of them and leave the meeting. This whole process took 24 minutes only.